Everyone, Apple has just made another application. This is a new application that you can actually go ahead and get your hands on, and it's called Apple Invites. Now what this is that this is like an invite application. So if you ever wanted to make a birthday celebration or a party or housewarming party or anything like that, you can go ahead and make it, and you can just start inviting people, and it's actually a pretty cool application. So this is what it looks like. If you want to install it, you can search for this app, download it, and install it just like any other application. Now, once you go ahead and open it up, you will see this type of page come up. So it is pretty cool. It has a bunch of stuff inside of it. You'll have your upcoming events here, nothing else really at the bottom. And then you'll be able to click on this filter, whether you want to see your upcoming events, past events, drafts, hosting, and attending. Now, in the top right, you will see two buttons, a plus button and your profile account. So within this profile account, it says you can create events with iCloud Plus. So it says invites help you, yada, yada, yada. You can, kind of modify your push notifications and your email updates. So you wouldn't really have to mess around with this too much. The biggest thing you're going to be messing around with is probably that plus button or this create event button. So if you want to create an event that you want to, invite people to, let's say we were making like a birthday party invite. Well, what we could do is we could click on create event, and then we can start creating this event for us. Now, unfortunately, like I said, I guess you need to have iCloud Plus for this, which is kind of weird. But what you could do is you could click on add background right up here, and you can add a background of what this particular application could look like or what this invite could look like. So let's say I want to make it like a birthday thing. Let's just choose this one for the time being, right? So we can do a birthday thing. We can just type in the name of what you want. So we can type in like birthday, for example. And so you could start filling this out whichever way you want to. So date and time, you can choose the date and the time of this celebration. So in this case, let's say I just wanted it on this day. I can just keep it there. And then I can go through and change the location. If I want to specify the location of the area, I can go and click there. And I can change this out to hosted by your name, and you can go ahead and start filling out more detailed information of this particular invite. So you do have that type of capability here too, which is something that's really awesome. Go and click up here and click done. And then you can go ahead and create a shared album, which this is really cool. So you can go and start adding photos here, and other people can start adding photos inside of this shared album as well. And you also have this shared playlist if you want to go ahead and have songs and other things that people can go and kind of add into. You can go and have that here too, which again, that in and of itself is another really cool thing. When you're ready, you can go and click preview, which is up in the very top right. And then you can kind of see what this invite will look like. And if you're ready, you can go and start inviting people to it. Now again, I guess you have to have iCloud Plus to do this, which is kind of unfortunate. But that is basically how you use the Apple Invite application on your iPhone. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.